How do we sound, Reg? Yeah, sorry. I did not let you come in.
It's actually very validating that you don't have to be a professional, like a paid artist, to be considered an artist. So our definition is quite broad because there can be the hobbyists there who might not make this as their living, but it does bring life to them. Like it really energizes them. It gives them a reason to wake up in the morning. And maybe they don't see this as a form of maybe financial compensation. That's not the end goal. This is just to give life meaning. What is it to you?
Cradlecast, when we conceptualize this, we want to do a series on podcast that would be in service to the arts community.
Pilato. Akala ko piloto. Akala ko we were deconstructing a plane. Okay. Correction. Pilato. From the point of view of Pontius Pilate.
Pilato is an independently produced production. It's a musical. I saw the rehearsal. I was privileged to be invited to observe their very first run-through. Bagong producers po ito. They're called the Corner Studio. And they are doing Pilato the musical at PETA Theater Center.
Ang daming revenge words na biglang lumabas. Biglang may revenge travel. Biglang mga artists suddenly came here in droves. Mga foreign artists as well as local artists having shows again, having gigs again. So that was very refreshing. And since we're having the COVID lockdowns, the pandemic in the rearview mirror, hopefully hindi na mauulit, I noticed na marami kang productions minimension sa amin pag nagkikita tayo eh.
Oh, yeah.
Talagang yung you can't stop raving about certain shows. And I know at this point, you've just watched certain shows which I'm sure the audience would like to hear din.
I want to shout out, for example, to one of my favorite theater companies, Tanghalang Pilipino, because they strive with a lot of effort, I'm sure, to make themselves relevant. Theater should be entertaining, don't get me wrong. But theater should be beyond entertainment. From Tanghalang Ateneo, my home theater group, syempre.
Production upcoming, hindi lang po tayo Tanghalang Pilipino, meron ding Tanghalang Ateneo.
Correct. And what they're doing now, they're opening on March 27, but it will be running until April 13. So chances are, when you catch this podcast, they will still be running. What is it? Ning Ning sa Silangan. Okay, so I hope you could also follow us, please. We promise you we're gonna come up with more ideas. Your suggestions would be greatly appreciated.
Thank you so much, Direct Mark. Actually, we're ending the episode kasi strict yung parents ko. Pero we promise we'll be back with another episode very soon. So like, share, and subscribe so you can be updated when our next episode comes out. Thank you so much.